Set it all up.
Hello, hello. I hope you all are well. I just made this gorgeous iced honey latte. So beautiful, so refreshing. I've been looking forward to this all day. I feel like the past few days have just been go, go, go with a lot of fun things, a lot of blessings, but I'm excited to, I was gonna say relax, but no. We're hosting. We're hosting this weekend. Palmer, up. Palmer's like, please, Mom, we need to sit on the couch for at least an hour and cuddle. So I actually have some computer work I'm gonna start our day with, and then we'll go from there. But it's Earth Day. It's Earth Day weekend. I love celebrating Earth Day and just trying to be intentional about spending time outside and enjoying all of the beauty that Earth has to offer. Okay, Palmer, down. He's always behind me, just getting as cozy as can be, getting all settled with his blankets and pillows. But I started making a list. So essentially, the plans for the weekend, we have tomorrow morning, we have a bird walk, a bird watching walk with our neighbors. It is the most precious experience. I did it last year. This poor pillow, like, I don't mind Palmer getting like nice and cozy, but when he adjusts this pillow, it has like holes in it from his teeth. So naughty mister, but yeah, it's really adorable. Did it last year and we're doing it again this year. And so essentially we just walk around our neighborhood with our neighbors, and they're birding experts. So they point out different species, how to identify them. We're also going to look at different pollinators and flowers that are great for pollinators this time of year, especially, but always. So we have that to look forward to in the morning. And then after that, I was thinking maybe we'll go to the farmer's market. We'll see how we feel, see how much we get done today as well. It's also supposed to be really toasty tomorrow. We're really getting up there in the temperature. It'll be up to 90. So we'll see how much time we want to spend outside. But we might go to the farmer's market, and then I'm doing a little garden dinner party in that cozy little nook of our garden. So it's going to be very intimate, just a small group of girls. We're going to enjoy a nice meal. I'm still like brainstorming different activities or just like things we can do together. So that's a bit of the plan, but like I said, still brainstorming. So I'm going to have a little laptop Pinterest session, and then I have some just like elements that I want to design, like little nameplates and stuff. So we'll work on that. And then on Monday, which is actual Earth Day, I'm planning this little sunrise morning with some of my girlfriends, and we're gonna go watch the sunrise, and then we're also gonna make little bird feeders for the birds. So I need to get bird seed. I think we'll use peanut butter as a binder as well, but I need to research the best way to do that because I'm hoping to like make it minimal supplies and just help it to be as natural as possible, first of all, but then also I'm going to be taking everything to a picnic table by the water. So just trying to streamline it and make it as simple as possible. But that's a bit on our agenda. Lots of fun crafting, cooking, all the creativity on the horizon, but excited for all the celebrations this weekend. I started just pulling different pieces out that I'm pretty sure I want to use tomorrow. This is just so helpful to kind of start visualizing everything and having a pile so we can just grab and go and start just like fiddling with everything, piecing it together. So lots of candles, the menu book, of course, this adorable candle. Oh goodness, it's like a dancing candle contraption that my friend Caroline gave me. It's so whimsical, I absolutely love it. And then a bunch of faux florals, and these are the poles I borrowed from my friend Camilla. And essentially this goes over the table, and we're gonna do like moss and sprinkle in these different florals. So that's the plan. We have some incense. We have these little pots, which I already have some terracotta pots out there that I'm gonna put little tea light candles in. That's what we did last year, and it was really cute. And these pots actually I got for dessert. So I'm gonna stick like a little cupcake in here and put a little flower on top. And then this is such a fun piece. So I don't know for sure that I'll use it. I want to because it's so adorable. It just kind of takes up a lot of space. I don't know how much food we're actually gonna like keep out there. We're gonna use the potting bench to put food and drinks, but we're not gonna be able to fit everything. So this is great for keeping the bugs away over your food, and it's just so cute. So this is a good start, and I'm gonna go out in the garden and just kind of clean it up a little bit so that we have like a cleaner slate to start putting everything in. And it just is nice now that the sun's going down. It's a little cooler right now. Here's my mood board for tomorrow. I always like to create one of these just to sort of help visualize and get my wheels turning. This is a picture from last year. We had a really cute setup at the potting station with little appetizers, drinks. I want to make garden focaccia. Here's a little inspo for the table arch. Here we have that, dancing. Here's another picture from last year. Just cutie images. Oh, and here's the invitation I sent out. hello. We have had such an adorable day so far. Bird watching this morning with our neighbors was such a treat. We saw so many birds, probably about 50 different varieties. Maybe that's a little dramatic, maybe like 30. We saw so many. It was really lovely. Then we popped over to the farmer's market, grabbed some things, and now I'm just about to have a food prep extravaganza. I need to prep a lot of things and then get ready, set up outside. Thankfully the garden is already cute and organic, so for our garden party we don't even need to do that much because it's just a natural occasion, but I love to add cute touches, so we'll see what we can brainstorm and put together throughout the day. Really going to do place cards this time, just because we'll be like just popping around the garden and it's more casual. But I pulled off some fiddle leaf fig leaves from our ones that we have outside because they're thriving, so I felt okay doing that, and the leaves are just so gorgeous and substantial. So essentially I'm going to write down everyone's name, and then I also made everyone a fairy name, so we'll have an alter ego for the night. Liz is here, lending her helping hand, creative hand. We've been running around. It's the final like few minutes before people get here, but we're so excited. Look at our beautiful arrangement. We have so many colors, which is just always a great sign. And then we're keeping all the hot food in the oven until we're ready to eat. So beautiful. The truth. Aw. Quit. Just quit.
High school, right? It's the worst that she said. Well, Anna's just
Mar-
like it
Well,
seemed
there's been a
Oh no.
I was just wondering what you wanted compression shorts. Like new compression shorts. They're cute. They grow really well. Like if you haven't watched it.
Level things out a little bit.
This like sour gel.
Oh,
I really loved his voice, but like with our kids. Yes. I know. I'm trying to find
hello from the next morning. I pretty much went straight to bed after my girlfriends left last night. I was sleepy after such a full day. It was a beautiful day. I definitely need to have some more like relaxed time soon because I feel like we've just been go, go, go. Just celebrating, but it's just such a special time, and this time of year is just so beautiful. So thankful for the memories. We spent a lot of time in the garden. I also was so thankful the weather was really nice last night. I wasn't sure because, as I mentioned, it was quite toasty, so I wasn't sure how long we'd want to spend out there, but it was really like breezy night, which was enjoyable, and the mosquitoes left us alone, so very thankful for that. And we talked miscellaneous things, but we also like had some Earth Day centric or just earthy centric questions, which was fun. Like a couple examples: are you more of a morning sun kind of person or a night moon kind of person? Like, when do you feel like you feel the most creative? Where's your favorite place on earth? What's your favorite sound in nature? So that was like fun to kind of have those themed questions. And then today had church and then a baby shower, ran some errands, picked up some things for tomorrow morning, which is our official Earth Day, because tomorrow's officially Earth Day, and we're doing our bird feeder morning, which, have I even explained that fully? We're having our sunrise morning and making little DIY bird feeders, so I'll show you the supplies I've gathered so far for that. Brandon and I are going to go on a walk later this evening, and I'm going to maybe source some other little elements that could be nice for bird feeders, but we have the basics ready to go. And I'm just gonna try to like prep everything tonight because it's a sunrise morning, so it's gonna be nice and early, so I want to be able to roll out of bed, get moving, and not have to think much about it. But that's the plan. I'm gonna set up a few things and then just relax tonight, which sounds lovely. Here's our supplies for the morning so far. I need to gather a few more things, but we have our bird seed. I went with the Songbird Supreme. It attracts buntings, cardinals, chickadees. So cute. Look at how beautiful the seeds are as well. And then we have peanut butter as our binder. So I'll probably bring a bowl and like some knives to apply the peanut butter. And I want to collect pine cones. I collected this one yesterday when we went on a walk, and we're going to go on another walk tonight. So try to collect some pine cones that we can use. And then the oranges, I'm actually going to slice and then flesh out the inside, and then it can be like a little bowl to put some peanut butter and some seeds, and then you can hang the orange like a cute little bowl. So I'll show you once we kind of piece things together. But I need to get string and maybe like a hole punch, and maybe we could hole punch into the sides of the orange to hold up the string. Still working out the kinks, but here's what we have so far. Oh, also I just made some banana muffins. I'm making a second batch now, but we had some ripe bananas, making some mini banana muffins to take for the morning. And I had this last night for our party, and then the other half I saved for tonight, but I have this cantaloupe with fruit, so that'll be nice for the morning. Okay, I have everything piled up. Here's my box of like most of our ingredients. And then I just made a sticky note of a couple other things I need to grab. So that'll hopefully help me remember. I want to get the fruit from the fridge and get some jasmine from the garden, because I feel like that would be kind of nice to add on to or have as an option to add on. Back home from our bird feeder morning. I just made breakfast. I brought the muffins and some fruit, and then my friend Emily brought more fruit and like the wellness shots, like the ginger wellness shots. So good, so fitting for the morning. I still like have the cayenne aftertaste in my throat from the ginger shot. But it was really sweet. We made our bird feeders. Already have ours hung up in the yard, so I'm gonna try to camp out by the window and see if we get any action. Hopefully in a vlog coming up, you'll see a clip of a bird eating from our bird feeder. So that was really nice, and it was such a beautiful weekend, and I feel like that was a nice cap off to just a lovely weekend. It's a cloudy morning and chilly, so we were like cozying up. We had quite the variety of weather this weekend, from 90 degrees to 60 and breezy. So that's what we love about Mother Earth. She always keeps us on our toes. Never know what you're gonna get, but I really hope that you all are well and having a beautiful week. We have an exciting rest of the week. I'm gonna take the next few days to just catch up on work, editing, and tidying up our home and prepping for our trip. We're going to our baby moon in a few days, and I'm so excited. So a lot to look forward to, but again, I hope you all are well, and I'm excited to see you next. Bye!